In today's video, I'll be making bread and at the same time making this delicious fish roll, and I'll be making meat pie and I'll be baking cake. Don't go anywhere, I'm coming back. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Tammy and please consider to subscribe. And for my returning viewers, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to prepare my sauce for meat pie. This is my grounded beef and I added my onions. Of course, I'm going to add pepper. Like this is habanero pepper. If you don't like spicy stuff, skip the pepper. So I'm going to add my curry powder and my black pepper, my salt, and yeah, make sure you add your spices, any spices you love to use at all to cook. And I'll let it cook in low heat. Then I'll add my potato. This is my sliced or chopped potatoes, and I'm going to stir it together. Then I'll go on straight and add my carrots. Like that's I get that this is my first time, like my official first time making meat pie, like baking meat pie. I've fried meat pie, but that is not meat pie. But this is my official first time making meat pie, and it came out so good. So this is my dough for meat pie and for my fish roll. To make this dough, it's not hard at all. But I really didn't mix it from this video because I went for an appointment and I could not video when I'm mixing it. But if you want me to drop a video now to do it, I'll surely drop it. Let me know in the comment section or share the description for the recipe. Alright, so I'll press it with this. I really don't know the name. Is it the cutter or what should I call it? In case you don't have this, just take your fork and press with it. And I'm trying to put a hole here so that everything can cook inside. Yeah, so here I'm trying to brush it with my egg. I didn't use white egg. I mixed everything together. You know, some are using white egg, but I was like, let me just give it a try, and it came out perfectly. So I put it in the oven for 180-degree, and yeah, for just 25 or 30 minutes everything is cooked, and it's giving that vibe of meat pie. To make meat pie, you don't need too much spices in your ingredients because this is snacks. Yeah, so you just need to put some ingredients that you know that is okay, because the dough already is not something healthy food, but with what you had in it, it's going to give you that healthy stuff. Like you added your potato, your carrot, your beef, that's the healthy stuff it is. Yeah, so this is my fish roll, and I use Titus fish. I boil it, then I fry it with these carrots. Maybe I'll surely try to make a video step by step video on how to make this. Let me know in the comment section. Then I gently roll it this way. Mind it, guys, this place is where I prepare my snack stuff like bread, like anything I want to make. This is where I prepare it, and I make sure that I make sure that I clean it. So because I don't want any comment like, how why are you preparing this on the table? This is where I used to prepare my stuff. And here is the outcome of my facial. Okay, let's go straight to the next step. I want to make my authentic bread. Yeah, I've mixed it. In case you want to know how to make this bread, I think I'll drop to video now to make bread at home. And yeah, oh my goodness, this is another recipe. I've not really dropped this recipe, and I'm going to make a video about it, and you guys will surely love the outcome. I bet you guys, like, you don't need to wait forever, like for 30 minutes or 1 hour before you put it in your oven. I'm going to surely drop how to make this personal bread. Oh my god, now I don't need to buy bread again. This is my personal and my recipe. Yeah, so I'll just continue cutting it and roll it to the to any shape I want at all. You can decide to just roll it like a ball, anyhow you want it at all. You can decide to just any shape you want at all, in as much that is going to come out perfectly for you. All right, on the 24th of this month is our giveaway. You guys should come to live video on YouTube. You guys have said you want it on YouTube, so we are going to do the giveaway on 24 of this month. And yeah, so this is the outcome of the bread. This bread is hot. It's everything. I don't want to, oh my gosh. Yeah, so I go straight to the next step. I want to mix my mixture for cake, and I'm trying to use blender to mix everything together. I've dropped video on how to make cake. Let me tell you guys something. I'm not professional in making cake, and I'm not selling cake. I'm not making cake for any birthday or anything, just for eating, just for house or home purpose. Like, yeah. Before person will come and tell me that I should come and make cake. Or no, I don't know how to make cake like that, but my own recipe, yeah. So this is what I did. I put the paper so that it won't get stick to my pan. And I added my mixture. Check my description. You usually see how to make this at home in case you like to do so. And yeah, straight to my oven to 180 degree. And here is the outcome. I wanted to open it for you guys, but trust me, it's so hot. And here is my fish roll. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, like this fish roll. I can't get over it. And here is my authentic meat pie. I made this meat pie on Sunday, and guess what, guys? The meat pie is finished today, Tuesday. It's finished. And here is my bread. This is my bread because the kids love the meat pie. My boy is taking it to school, and my baby girl, my God, every second they are eating the meat pie. The daddy, everybody, they are just taking it one by one, and it's finished. And here is my bread. Look at this. Look at this bread. My hand is being soaked with butter because I added small butter on top of the bread. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.